Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can create an advanced search interaction just like this one using the prototype feature on Figma. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more videos. The first thing we have to focus on right now is to achieve the cursor blinking interaction or animation, and for you to be able to do that you have to make sure that your search bar is created with an auto layout. So as you can see, mine, it's created with an auto layout. That way it can easily expand. We're going to use the line feature to achieve the cursor. I'm just going to draw a line. I would leave mine at 12 because I designed this search bar with an auto layout. All you have to do is to just bring this in and it just goes in here. Once you bring this in, you can see the space between these two items. You can decide to keep it at 4, you can keep it at 8. Just leave mine at 4. So the next thing you want to do is you have to duplicate this search bar, this time around without the cursor. This is going to make sense soon, so let's just focus. So you duplicate it and remove the cursor. The next thing you want to do is to duplicate this search bar, but this time around you have to add one letter because you're trying to search for something, right? So you're just going to start with one letter. So you're going to add a text right in front of this cursor and then replace this with an exit in case you want to exit the search bar. I'm just going to bring in my text. Let's see, I have this S, right? So I'm just going to bring it in. Once I bring the letter S in, I'm just going to adjust this cursor by using absolute position. So once I click it, all I need to do is to move it very close. Remember, this is the cursor and we want it to be blinking. Then I'm going to replace this with an X. Another thing we have to do is to add the backward icon using an auto layout to these search bars in order to make our work appear very neat. So this is something I forgot at the beginning. Create an auto layout between this. Give it a spacing of 16. And don't forget to set this to view container. This also applies to the rest of the search bars. So since this is a search bar in action, this particular frame, right, what you need to do is that you're going to create an auto layout between this search bar that is in action and your search result. Because think about it, the moment you start typing, that's when your search result pops up. I'm just going to bring in my search results that I've already designed, because what I'm showing you guys is how to create interaction. If you would want me to design something like that or anything you need me to design, you can always let me know in the comment section. We're going to create an auto layout between these two. Set it to view container. Then you have to duplicate this. For this second one, you have to remove the cursor. And it's all going to make sense when I add prototype interactions to them. So first of all, for this one is going to have a cursor. This one is not going to have a cursor. That way you're setting a balance between blinking and not blinking. So we're going to highlight this frame frame of search bar 2 and search bar 1, and we are going to create component set with this frame so that we can be able to prototype it. For this one, you're going to link this interaction to this one and set it to after delay of, let me say, 300. Then leave it at instant. You take the second one, the one that has a cursor, you take it back to this one, same thing, after delay of 300. Instant. Once you set it like this, it's like, okay, it's blinking, it's not blinking, it's blinking. You know how it works when you're on a search bar. Same thing we did between these two search bars. That's what we're going to do for this and this. So what you have to do is to just take this to this with an after delay of 300, leaving it instant. Then you take this again back to this, set it to after delay of 300, leaving it at instant. Take this one that has the cursor present to this search result that has the cursor present, but we're going to do something different here. We're going to set it to the key or gamepad. The key you're going to press is basically like the key that you added to the search bar or the key you want to start searching with. We obviously started with an S, so we're going to click S, and then we're going to set it to smart animate of ease out and 300 meter per second. This is fine. Then you click on this, and this one is the one without a cursor. You simply take it down to the search result that comes without a cursor. So we're just going to basically do same thing here. Keypad, click on S, and then, oh, thank you for this Figma feature that just automatically sets things. What we're going to do here is that we're going to add our search bar to this mobile screen, and that search bar is definitely coming from this parent component, which is usually called child component. So we'll go to our assets, go to page 2. As you can see, this is it. So you just bring it out and then fit it into this place. We're going to make a duplicate of this same screen. This time around, we're going to add our mobile keyboard. So this is our keyboard. I'm just going to fit it into my screen. I didn't design this keyboard from the scratch, so I linked it to my video. You can just check it out from the Figma community. I would have to also add this to our prototype. For me, I already have my mobile screen for the search results. This one, we're going to start prototyping. First thing you want to do on the screen is that you'd have to link it to this screen. They're both the same. The only difference is that we need this keyboard pop-up effect. We're just going to link it here after the love 200. Then I would say smart animate of ease out. Then let me say 200 is noun link any of these search options. So for me, you can decide to link all of them, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to link it. Shirts for men, link it to this place where we have on top, then moving result. Okay, let me just 300. Then I'll do same for this search result. You know, like I said, they're basically the same thing. This frame and this frame, the only difference is just the cursor blinking. So whatever you're doing for this, you should have to do for this as well. So this is on tap to moving is out 300 meter per second. Tap, move out is out 300. And also bring in our home screen here at this point so that everything will be seamless. Home screen here, and just smart animate is out. It's at 300. Let's just check out everything to see what we've done. So this is what it looks like, and this is our cursor blinking. Side note, when you're trying to click on that letter that you animated or you added to your search bar when you were designing, you're not going to click on it on this interface. Rather, you're going to click on it on your keyboard that you used in designing your laptop or your monitor keyboard. So I'm just going to click S on my MacBook, and then this comes on. Then I'll choose shirts for men, which is the one I linked to the last screen, right? So once I choose it, it gets to this side. So this is what happens. This is what it looks like. Then when I press back, it comes here. Guys, we've come to the end of this video, and I hope you really learned something new today. If you have questions, you can let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.